Welcome back, Bears. I'm Julius reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and today is celebration day for our by-district winning Lady Bears Volleyball team. So here's a huge shout out for them. Last night, our Lady Bears ranked 23rd in 6A volleyball by Max Preps, faced off and swept Laredo United 3-0. The ladies fought it out and came out with 25-23, 25-19, and 25-11 wins. Gianna Brown led with 13 kills and 4 blocks, and Angel Ustagin spiked in 12 of her own. Victoria Sanchez helped with 20 assists and Jasmine Dukes with 17. Cici Mulindovin for 23 digs and Angel assisted with 11. BF&D ladies on your great win. Let's cheer on our Lady Bears when they take on their next opponent, the Fair Lady Bears. Yes, a Bears showdown. Let's give our cross-country runners Kayla Lyons and Zach Miller a shout-out on qualifying for the state meet. Zach came in 9th place and Kayla placed in 10th at the regional meet. Both will run against the best in the state in Round Rock this Saturday, November 4th. Run on, Bears. Here's a shout-out to our Special Olympians who competed in the track and field prelims at Gus Stadium this past Friday in preparation for the finals in the spring. BF&D Special Olympians. Tomorrow, our Bears football team face off against the J Mustangs for the season ender at Gus Stadium at 7 p.m. BF&D Bears. Now for ACDAC news. GT specialist Colleen Guzman is looking for students who want to compete for scholarships while enhancing their knowledge and becoming well-rounded students. Put your knowledge to the test and become a member of the academic Decathlon team. See Ms. Guzman at A212 for more information or email her at colleen.guzman@nisd.net. Seniors, want $2,000 towards your college tuition? HEB will award 15 high school seniors who participate in UIL competitions with a scholarship. So, apply for the HEB Community Leadership Scholarship Program by going to sportsinaction.com/scholarship. Also, seniors, don't be afraid to apply for the Jack C. Jordan Scholarship. The deadline is right around the corner. Apply by November 8th. Scan this QR code with a non-NISD device like your phone to submit your application. Now for more learning. Health science students continue to build bonds, trust, and confidence in their classroom with teacher Darcy Deer with hands-on learning to strengthen their CPR skills and look to certify. Last week, our SC students got to jump on Halloween as they trick-or-treated early in the Halloween parade. Finally, Bears, hope you stayed safe last night if you went trick-or-treating. Take a look at some of the skit we put together for Halloween. The entire video is on our YouTube channel at BTV Bears, and a fair warning, it's camp. And once more, here's a shout out to one of our anchors, Joslyn Balditt, who is running for Class of 2025 Treasure. Get out and vote for her. This is all we have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nisd.net. I'm Julius, signing off from BTV. Here, have a great day, Bears, and let's keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in our learning, and continue to evolve every day. And remember, have your IDs visible.
This is a BTV production.